TV, Nairobi.
Japuonjre moro manie ike mar adek e mbalariany ma Nairobi bade ma Kikuyu itudo gi ketho mar nego japuonjre wadgi moro bang' yuaruok ewi wacho. Obila mag okwach kich ma Kikuyu ka otelnegi kod Omondi Ogola oyango ni achijno manyinge Justus Otieno osemaki kendo ogeng'ne tesend obila ma Kikuyu. Ringre japuonjre manyinge Brian Wambui bende otere kar kano ringre ma Thogoto ka irito bero kod nonro mamoko.
The investigations were carried out. We were able to apprehend the suspect. The suspected murder weapon was secured, and today the suspect has been arraigned to court. We are seeking custodial orders so that we can further the investigations. We are yet to establish the motive of the attack, and once the investigations are complete, we will be recommending charges. I know we have issues with, as a student, we have pressures, exam, and all those other things, but once there is a quarrel, there's a disagreement, which is human to disagree. Let us first of all find ways of de-escalating the issues, and then after de-escalating the issues, reason will prevail.